Hello, welcome to our channel. Get ready to elevate your skincare game and shine bright like a star. Hey, sun-kissed beauties, are you ready to say goodbye to that stubborn tan and hello to radiant, glowing skin? Well, you're in luck because today I'm sharing with you the 5 best homemade tan removal tips. Get ready to reveal your natural beauty with these simple yet effective remedies. These homemade tan removal tips' key benefits are instant tan removal, gives brightening and lightening effect. Removes dark spots and hyperpigmentation, soothes, hydrates, and nourishes skin, promotes healthy, younger, and brighter skin. Let's dive in! Tip 1. Lemon juice and honey mask. Our first tip involves the power duo of lemon juice and honey. Lemon juice is renowned for its natural bleaching properties, while honey works wonders in soothing and moisturizing the skin. Here's how to make and apply this mask. To prepare, mix equal parts lemon juice and honey in a bowl until well combined. Apply the mixture generously to the affected areas using clean fingertips or a brush. Allow the mask to sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. You will notice the difference in your skin. The result? Visibly reduced tan lines and a brighter, more even complexion. Tip 2. Aloe vera gel. Moving on to tip number 2, the soothing properties of aloe vera gel. Not only does it provide instant relief from sunburn, but it also helps in reducing tan and restoring the skin's natural glow. Here's how to use it. Simply extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to the tanned areas. Massage it gently into the skin and leave it on overnight for maximum effectiveness. You will notice the difference in your skin. Wake up to rejuvenated, tan-free skin with the added bonus of aloe vera's soothing properties. Tip 3. Yogurt and turmeric mask. Tip number 3 involves the powerful combination of yogurt and turmeric. Yogurt helps to exfoliate and brighten the skin, while turmeric has natural skin lightening properties. Here's how to make and apply this mask. Mix together equal parts yogurt and turmeric powder to form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture evenly to your skin and leave it on for 20 minutes. Before and after tan reduction, you will feel the tan-free skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water to reveal radiant, tan-free skin. Tip 4. Papaya and honey scrub. Tip number 4 involves a luxurious papaya and honey scrub. Papaya contains enzymes that help to gently exfoliate the skin and fade tan lines, while honey adds moisture and nourishment. Here's how to make and apply this scrub. Blend together ripe papaya chunks with a spoonful of honey until smooth. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin in circular motions for a few minutes. You can feel the softer and smoothness in your face. Rinse off with lukewarm water to reveal softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. Tip 5. Coconut oil massage. Last but not least, tip number 5 involves the simple yet effective coconut oil massage. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants and hydrating properties, making it perfect for nourishing and rejuvenating sun-damaged skin. Here's how to use it. Simply warm up a small amount of coconut oil in your palms and massage it onto your skin. Focus on areas with tan lines and dry patches, and leave the oil on overnight for best results. You will find supple tan-free skin. Wake up to hydrated, supple skin that's free from unwanted tan lines. You will feel the tan-free skin every day. And there you have it, folks, the 5 best homemade tan removal tips, complete with preparation, application, and benefits. Whether you prefer the brightening power of lemon and honey, the soothing properties of aloe vera, the exfoliation of yogurt and turmeric, the nourishment of papaya and honey, or the hydration of coconut oil, there's a remedy for everyone. Say goodbye to stubborn tan lines and hello to radiant, glowing skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful! Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and beauty tips.